Hi friends, I'm gonna do a get ready with me. I already have my foundation on. I'm gonna start setting my under eyes with the banana powder from Beauty Creations. And if you're interested, I do have it available. I'm gonna use the Cali set from Beauty Creation as well. I have it available if you're interested. I'm gonna do a neutral look. We're gonna go in with Downtown LA, DTLA. And I'm gonna set it and put it all over my eyelid. And I'm using this elf brush. We're gonna go celebrate birthday today. Very small gathering. I'm gonna take martini with my finger and I'm gonna dab it in the center. Kind of like slowly tapping it in so that it can be a little bit of shimmer. And then I'm gonna drag it to the sides with my finger. Now with my blending brush, I'm gonna go into Melrose and slowly start blending it in. So that's the base with Melrose, and I'm gonna go back to Downtown LA and blend the shades together. Now with the clean brush, I'm gonna blend everything together. And I'm gonna take the setting powder out and dust it off. And now for my bottom eyelid, I'm gonna go with Downtown LA and slowly start adding it with the pencil brush. And now to tie the look together, I'm gonna go in with a pair of my favorite lashes that you can also find on my website, link in bio. Now I'm gonna line my lips with Nabi in the color Coffee. And for my lipstick, I went with this one from Beauty Creations. For my lips, I went with Naked from Beauty Creations. I did put it all over. It's such a beautiful color. And then I highlighted with Angel Glow, which is... And this is the final look, friends. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Again, if you're interested, I do have the Cali set available and the Angel Glow highlighting palette.